Welcome back to I'm Confused. Today we're going to help out some teachers with their grading. We're going to use a pass or fail formula. In this case, we got the Avengers as our students because I just got done watching the Avengers. So, obviously we could go in there and we could just say that Steve passed. Tony in this case would probably fail. But what happens if we have 30, 40, 50, 60... as many as you want? How long do you think that would take to fill all those out? Way too long. Let's run one formula that will get it done in 1 minute or less. We're going to go ahead and start. We're going to do equals. We're going to type if. We're going to slide in here. Edit the formula just a hair. I apologize. It's on this side. We're going to type or. So if or, in this case we want to use B2 because Steve Rogers, we need to see if he is going to be the one passing or failing. We're going to say, we're going to use the less than symbol. Let's say 70% is passing grade. Go ahead and close that. Now we're going to add a comma. Let's use some quotation marks. We're going to write fail. Close those. Another comma. Some more quotation marks. We're going to write pass. Close those. Then we're going to have some closing parentheses. And boom. Steve Rogers passes. If you want to capitalize those, that's an easy fix. We're going to go ahead and fail, pass, problem solved. And then as simple as this, left click, drag it down. Tony failed because he had less than 70. Clinton Barton failed because he had less than 70. But the rest all passed. I hope this helps. Make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching.